Today I'm showing you how to make my showstopper balloon flowers. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. Inflate a green 260 all the way, then let just a little bit of air out just to soften it slightly. It's a bit loud, sorry. Then tie. And then we're going to make 3 loops. So we've done this lots of times before. Just bend the balloon over and make a loop of about 4 fingers. Then pass the knot and nozzle through the centre. That's just going to secure the loop. Then make another loop of about 4 fingers. Twist and take that knot and nozzle and again wrap it around the second loop again. Those aren't going to come undone now. And make a 3rd loop of about 4 fingers. So these loops, don't worry if they are not exactly the same size. Okay, so that's what we've got. Inflate a 350 and a 160 twisting balloon and tie the 2 together. Your 350 has a tail of 5 fingers and your 160 has a 3-finger tail. Give your 350 a squeeze just to soften it and connect the 350 and 160 into those flower petal loops and then just lock them in place. Squeeze and stretch your 160 and make a bubble of about 6 to 7 fingers. That's in the 350. Give your balloon a squeeze and make another bubble of about 3 fingers. We're going to pinch twist this. So we're going to grasp hold of this bubble, we're going to pull it upwards and twist it around. So grasp hold, pull it upwards and twist. Okay. Give your balloon a squeeze, make another bubble of about 3 fingers or so. We're going to pinch twist this also. So again, fold your balloon over, grasp hold, pull it upwards and twist around. So pull upwards and twist around. Okay, so this is what we've got. Again, give your balloon a squeeze, twist another bubble of about 3 fingers. And we're going to do the same thing, pinch twist, pull upwards and twist around. Okay, give your balloon a squeeze and then we're going to make another bubble to match this one and then pull that into the cluster of green loops. Wrap around, give everything a squeeze and a stretch and then make another bubble to match this one. And then pull that into those pinch twists at the top. Okay. And then twist off the end and let the air out. Okay. Okay. Wrap that around a little bit more. And if you're enjoying this video, I'd be so grateful if you would hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I publish new videos every week. So when I was gigging, I used to make these flowers a lot and they were very, very popular. And so for speed, what I used to do was I used to grasp hold of this, pull it into the base here and wrap around. And that was really very, very quick to do. Okay, it just secures it out of the way and then you can just arrange your pinch twist if you want to. So make sure that your 160 is nice and soft and then pull the 160 up towards the cluster of loops, wrap the 160 around once, wrap around again and then bring the 160 down. I like to just hold the 160 there as I pull the 160 into the flower petal base and that just secures everything. And if you want to, you can just tuck that underneath the loop there and it will secure it in position, just pressure fitted. And then we can snip off the end. And again, you can just wrap that into the base. So I'm just going to reinstate that. And there you've got a really lovely rose flower. Inflate another 160 to a tail of about 3 fingers and twist off a small bubble. Gather your flowers together and just wrap the 160 around the stems and then wrap that bubble into the 160. Bring the 160 back around, wrap the rest of it into that bubble and give everything a squeeze. I think we can go around one more time and then just wrap into that bubble. Round the back of the rings back up, okay? And then you can just take this knot and nozzle, roll it a little bit, pull that bubble back, pull the knot underneath here, wrap around, and that will just pinch twist that little bubble for you, just to finish off your bouquet. I recommend you watch this video next.